Welcome and thanks for joining us on EMII.com. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Asset Management Report. Today is Thursday, March 13th, 2008. There's big growth in Taiwan's asset management market, says U.S. money manager BlackRock. That is, if the island broadens its investments into China and overseas funds continue flowing back to the island, reports Reuters. Last year, BlackRock's Taiwan asset management business, which only sells offshore funds, saw the highest growth rate among all the markets where it operates, Chang Wen-young, BlackRock's Taiwan managing director, told Reuters in an interview. Chang said he sees commodities and balanced funds having big growth potential, and funds linked to China will also become even more popular with investors. Staying with asset management news, becoming at least the seventh hedge fund in the past month to protect itself from falling markets, GO Capital Asset Management blocked clients from withdrawing cash from its Global Opportunities Fund, reports Bloomberg News. Former head of equity research at ABN AMRO, Frans van Schaik, who founded the Amsterdam-based fund in 2000, wrote to investors that the fund is not leveraged and not facing margin calls. The fund, which bets both on rising and falling prices, has assets of about $881 million. Van Schaik and other members of GO Capital's management said in a letter posted on their website, quote, "A temporary suspension of redemptions is the best defensive measure to protect the interests of the participants. Current market circumstances do not allow the fund to sell investments at a reasonable price." And in asset management news abroad, seeking consent from Indian market regulator Securities and Exchange Board of India, Motilal Oswal Financial Services plans to launch an asset management company, according to Thomson Financial. The chairman and managing director, Motilal Oswal, said the financial services company is open to a strategic alliance with international players for its asset management business. He added that he has no plan to dilute his promoter's stake in Motilal Oswal Financial Services. And in more asset management news, suspending interest payments, the largest fund of Australian asset manager MFS is seeking funding support, reports the Wall Street Journal. The move highlights the difficulties facing MFS, whose shares are on an indefinite trading halt as it reviews its financing and operating structures after its market capitalization was halved in January amid concerns about its financial position. Chief Executive of MFS Investment Management, Guy Hutchings, said the Premium Income Fund has resolved its cease payment of distributions until further notice. In a letter sent to unit holders of the fund late Tuesday, Hutchings said the move is aimed at conserving cash to continue to finance the fund's project development projects. And that rounds out today's Asset Management Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click on our Asset Management channel online and read the latest developments.